Video, and it is a pack opening, and Isaiah's not here. He's with his grandma. So yeah, let's get right open. Foster Griffin, Michael, I can't say Topic, Johnny. We are opening the Bowman 2016 trading cards. There's 10 cards in this. Right off the bat, we get Paul Goldschmidt. Wally.
Jeff Schneider. Ulrich.
Steven Strasburg. Kevin Newman. Brady Akeem. Sadia Alvarez, Domingo Acevedo, I think is how you say it. Bill Buleos. Oh, we got someone good. I think we got Mookie Betts. Can you see it? Ian Bigfoot. Mookie Betts. There it is, guys. I love Mookie Betts. Topps 2016 Baseball Series 2, 12 colors. Look for exclusive changing of the color. We got the white. We have the white things. We have Joe Smith, Colton Long, Johnny Giovatella. I think that was when they got a walk-off. Ooh, Manny Machado. He's a built-in baseman. Guys, chasing 3,000 hits. The Ichiro Suzuki code. Maybe pink for that. Justin Moore. The lucky code, I think. Matt Moore. Adrian Houser. John Jay. Jared Ozark. And then we got Kyle Rapp. 1966 design. Salvador Perez.
Careful, dude. Hi.
John Singleton.
Come on, let's keep going. It's taking forever. This video's gonna take forever.
Mike Morris. Edgar
Inciarte.
Flashbacks. News. Jimmy Guthrie. Ricky Nolasco. 2014 home run leaders: Nelson Cruz, Chris Carter, and Jose. 2015 home run leaders: Jose Castillo and Anthony Rendon. On to the next. Hi guys, back with another video. Well, we had to come here because there's more space and this is like a big box. We opened the Panini Contenders 2017 draft picks, 42 cards per box, 2 autographs. So there might be some good ones in here. So gotta keep this. First pack has 6 cards. Can you guys see that? Yeah. I think you guys can. On the colors, the ones over there, I only put the good ones up. Like Mookie Betts was a good one, so I put him up. That signature one. You know, couldn't open those.
We're gonna make these childproof.
Yeah, childproof. First one, we got Carlos Hyde, season ticket. Put that right there. Season ticket, Matthew Stafford. Put that right there. And then Billy Sims. You know who that is?
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a
Jordan
trance.
Howard.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer
He's
to
a
hold
really
on
good
my
running
pants.
back.
I just want some ice
Evan
on my wrist so I
Ingram,
look better when I dance. Have you looking
Giants
at
tight
it, put
end.
you in a
Isaiah
trance.
was like that.
All I ever wanted was a rollie. All I ever wanted was a rollie. Cool as a snowman with the ice all on me. Now your chick all on me. My rollie don't tick tock, it just glide. Keep staring at it and you might go blind. I be moving clean, I don't even try. All I see is bears, I spy. Yeah, that way. I need that moolah by Tuesday.
Corey Davis.
Yeah, that way. I low key feel like funk sway. I just now got started. Got views on popping. My diamonds gone retarded. Your girl on deck is a party. I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance. I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance. Yeah.
He has a signature. I don't know who that is, but Joseph Beebe.
Cooler than a snowman with the ice all on me. Now your chick all on me.
Blue face, rollie, red face, rollie, ayy. Purple face, rollie like some Teletubbies, ayy. Baby diamonds wet, shining like some guppy, whoa. Your man's hating probably cause his girl love me, ayy. I pull up to the mall and I'm flexing on you, whoa. Jaleo in the cut and he got them buffies, White sticks got me going crazy, ayy. Your girl love me cause she probably want my baby, ayy. Ice on my neck cost like 5K. I want a girl built just like Kim K. Karate chop that beat like a sensei, ayy. Pull off up in the Rari or a beat.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance. I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on
John
my pants.
Ross.
I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance.
3 more. Dang.
Right, here we go.
Here we go. 3 more. There we go. Ooh. AJ Green. Signature.
Clemson.
Oh,
Watkins.
if you guys are looking for a signature, the signature cards are gonna be like this when you see them. So if you turn them around, they're probably gonna be a signature. From that over there. Carlos Watkins. Then we got game day tickets.
Bucky Hodges, Vikings.
Bucky Hodges, Vikings tight end, as my dad just said. If you didn't hear them, it's Bucky Hodges. Carson Wentz. Frank Gore. There could be a legend. Tony Dorsett. He went to Pittsburgh. Oh, I see Oregon. I think that's Oregon. Yep.
Garbage.
Greg Olson.
Sick.
Trevor. I can't say
Simeon.
Simeon. I can't say his last name, but he does play for the Broncos. This is Mitch Trubisky and Ryan Switzer.
That's a sick.
College connections. Oh, that feels good. Tim Tebow playing softball now. Do you guys know that? Bo Jackson,
That's dope.
Auburn.
Those
Marcus.
are
Oh, it's a season ticket one. Season ticket. Marcus Mariota. I'll save this one over there. And is this the final? Is
better.
this,
Yeah, one more.
no. Oh, Julio Jones. Braxton Miller. Sorry if you guys can't hear me that well, my fan's on. Dak Prescott again. Passing grades. Rush Week. Leonard Fournette. To Colors. Derek Carr. Plays for the Raiders if you don't know who he is. And Joe Flacco.
One more pack.
One more pack. Look how much cards I got, guys. I'll fix them, but... And then we got the 2 signatures.
Sure, last one.
Last one. And one of my favorites.
The card's sick.
Roger Starbucks. Isaiah Crowell. Game Day Chad Kelly, quarterback out of Ole Miss. School colors Deshaun Watson, another Clemson player. Ooh, DeAndre Hopkins, back-to-back Clemson players. Well, if you guys don't know, Deshaun Watson got drafted to the Texans, yeah. DeAndre Hopkins is on the Texans too, so. And then Phillip Rivers. I think these would be 2 good connections. Deshaun Watson and DeAndre Hopkins. DeAndre Hopkins going to stay on the Texans for a long time. And that is all, guys. This is what I got. I'll fix them up. Then these 2 signatures and Bo Jackson. And see you guys shortly. And comment down below who is your favorite NFL player or baseball player. You can do both. And